fans, and welcome to another video. This one's from Sunday, November 29th. First up, we're going to see Q648. Q648 is a daily manifest train that goes from Rice Yard in Waycross, Georgia, currently profiled up to Lafayette, Indiana. We're going to see this train come north on track 2, and then we're going to see it stop as Q026 is going to be coming up track 1 and passing it. So normally this would cause quite the issue, as this would be blocking us completely, but we went over to the truck, got the drone out, and we're going to get pretty good images of 26 as well. So again, we knew that 648 was going to be stopping. We were really hopeful that he would stop in front of us with this line of flat cars, but sometimes you just don't get that lucky, and he continued on and winds up stopping ahead of us with a row of tank cars. So again, we were able to use the drone and catch 26. And so now we've got the drone up, and you can see 26 coming up on track 1 there. 26 is a daily intermodal from Jacksonville, Florida up to Bedford Park, Illinois. As we get closer to Christmas, this train gets increasingly longer. Not going to disappoint us today, as it's over 12,000 feet, as you'll hear on the defect detector. So after 26 moves past us here, we're going to see Q648 start to move. I'll lay out on the narration and allow you guys to hear that. It's always interesting to hear as the slack gets pulled out. all the cars, than the sounds they make. But then he also seemed to really struggle to get it going. I've not quite heard some of the sounds that he made on this day. So it was kind of a slow fight to get it going, with lots of creaks and rattles and slack pulls and things like that. So we'll lay out and let you guys hear all those sounds. And from here he gets it going pretty good, so we're going to increase the speed of the video to 8 times normal, as it takes it about another probably 7 or 8 minutes to get all the way out of view, and you know, that's quite a long time. So if you guys do want to slow it down and see the whole thing, you can certainly change the playback speed in YouTube, but thought we would just go ahead and move this through towards the end, just to speed it up a little bit. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure that if you liked it, give us a thumbs up down below and like the video. Also, please subscribe if you haven't already. I've noticed that about 70% of my views are coming from non-subscribers, and we're getting close to 100. Would really like to get there. I've got a really special video planned for you guys. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you get a chance, check out the new website over at rustyboxcar.com. You'll find links to all of my channels, as well as my son's channels. He goes by the handle Salty Hopper on Instagram and Flickr. And my daughter's channel, she goes by Railway Roses on Instagram. And then you can check out some other information we've got on there for you as well. Again, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good day.